Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm here with my bird on my shoulder, and his name is David. Say hi, David. Okay, so let's start into this video. Alright, I'll tell you how to tame a budgie. So let's get on going. First, ask your budgie to step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. He doesn't want to step up because he likes my shoulder. That's why. Step up. Boy, step up. No, he doesn't like my shoulder. Oh, he's just sitting. Okay, so I will tell you how to tame a budgie. Now, first, what you got to do is to feed your budgie water and feed your budgie food with the same hand every day, and then alright, so there he is on my shoulder. Okay, and let's do it. Alright, he's a little bit afraid now. He might fly away because he doesn't like it. Shh, it's okay. Alright, first what you got to second is to put your hand inside the cage for a little while, like step up, good boy, like this. You see him on my finger? Good, bud. Alright, and wait for him. If your budgie is not afraid of your hand, now you can do the test. First, you have to put your finger on his belly very gently, and little bit put him up, and then maybe he might put one finger on your finger, one leg on your finger. So okay, next part, it's okay if it doesn't come on your finger, but if he hops on your finger and hops back off, you're doing a little bit of progress, you know. Soon after that, you have to do it multiple of times until your bird likes your hand. And he also, every day you need to take care of him. But you need to bring him a bigger cage, like above, like a cockatiel side cage. Like I have a cockatiel size cage with 4 budgies, but this one's hand tamed. Alright, so as you want to, you could make a nice home for them, but soon after they will like, soon after that they will like it, and they will fast. If they see a new thing, they'll get very scared, but new food, they will love it, because once I bought them millets and they loved it. Okay, so this is what you got to do to your budgie if he's if he doesn't want to come on you. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. Alright, so what you got to do is to get your budgie to come up, and then tell him to do this. First, put your finger on your belly and wait for him to step up. It's okay. Alright, so step up is to grab a baby budgie and tell him to step up, and keep on doing this until he likes you. Keep on doing this until he likes your finger, like this, you know. Keep on doing this. Keep on doing this until he likes it. Like he likes my finger. He keeps, so I'm keep on doing this, and then look what's happening. Now come. Alright, so come back on my shoulder. Bye guys, I hope you like this video. And make sure to like this video. Peace out. Bye.